Hey everyone, welcome back to another video review. Today we're going to be looking at the Gamecom 777 7.1 Virtual Surround Sound headset from Plantronics. Alright, so let me start off with its looks. It looks very sturdy at first glance, though I've seen a guy on YouTube actually broke it somewhere here. But that's maybe because he tried to stretch it out too much, because it's not super flexible. And that is because it puts more pressure on your head for whenever or whatever reason you might, for example, shake aggressively with your head, so it won't fall off. Now, I say big pressure, don't worry, because the ear pad cushions are very soft and big, and because they're big, they are going to distribute the pressure onto the side of your head and not on your ears. So comfort-wise, this headset is very comfortable, and the design is also very cool. Another nice detail is the microphone that they hid here in the headband. That's pretty clean, actually. And you can also extend the microphone like this. And it also has noise cancelling.
And the noise cancelling actually seems to do a really good job at what it has to do.
Alright, so there's also a cable, because this is obviously not a wireless headset. The cable is 2 meters long, and at the end of the cable you can find two plugs for audio and the microphone. They are gold plated, by the way. And you can also find the inline remote on it, and that allows you to mute or unmute the microphone. And you can also change the volume of the 7.7 headset. And there's also this clip for your t-shirt or whatever you're wearing. You can slide that up and down the cable, or you can just take it off if you don't want it there. Now let's have a look at the little sound card they include that produces the 7.1 virtual surround sound effect, and which is probably also the reason why this headset is rather expensive. Plantronics says that this headset costs about 100 euros. But I've seen it go for 80, so probably depends on where you buy it. The sound card has two jacks on the bottom for your audio and microphone plug. It also has this switch on the side to turn on or off the 7.1 surround sound effect, and when you turn it on, the blue LED here will lit up. Now, as you can see, they made this as small as possible, and maybe a bit too small, in the matter that this cable is only a few centimeters long, or in other words, just about an inch. And that gives it a few practical problems. This, for example, if you're now want to open your DVD drive, you might have a few problems. Or maybe that it hangs on the back of your computer case, but for some reason you want to use that switch. Now you can't really get to it then, can you? Perhaps they should have used a system like this, for example. Now there's still one big question: what about the sound? Well, I have to say that they get a pretty convincing surround effect, especially compared to when you try the headset without the sound card, or with the switch turned off, or any other normal stereo headset. Compared to a real surround sound headset, on the other hand, this isn't that great. Then it appears more like an extremely good stereo headset. He has an extremely good stereo headset because the sound is very clear, and I can describe the virtual surround as if it sounds like the sound comes from the speakers on your desk or laptop, but actually it comes from the headset. So, as a conclusion, I can say that this headset is very comfortable, that it has a very cool design. The headset doesn't even look bad when you're wearing it. And the hidden microphone is also quite neat, plus it is a good quality microphone. Now, a few comments about this are definitely, in my opinion, the design of the sound card, and that they maybe should have given some drivers with the headset. But overall, this is a great headset. Thanks for watching this video review, guys. Don't forget to rate and subscribe, and if you have a few comments or questions, just leave them below or email me at the given email address. Also, thanks to Plantronics for sponsoring us with this headset. See you all later in the next review.